Yew is an evergreen shrub that does really well in shaded areas that has well-drained soils. In fact, these conifers are very drought resistant, they're deer resistant, they do well in the shade, and actually they have this beautiful prostrate growth, that kind of compacted mounding growth, that horizontal growth that grows out in this spiraling with those needle-like leaves. So pretty, very common of the conifers. Now, this one does best in the shade. You can actually grow it here. As you can see, I'm in a shaded area underneath some trees, so it grows well in a shaded area underneath trees, and it's evergreen, so you'll have that in the landscape year-round. Now, these are drought tolerant. They do not require a lot of pruning, not a lot of maintenance. They're slow growing, they are long-lived, and will be in the landscape for some time, but the texture of these needle-like leaves brings some interest to the landscape, kind of break up some of that larger, coarse foliage. Can be a great border plant to create a border around a bed. Can use it underneath trees and shaded area. They will tolerate some sun, but prefer more shaded areas, well-drained soils. But that beautiful spiraling growth with those needle-like leaves, deer-resistant, drought-resistant. Look for cultivars Utopia and Prostrata for that compact growth. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.